Salam. Hello guys, I hope everyone is okay, doing well. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I just bought another small fan because it's very warm in UK, so I need desk fan as well. Last year I bought it stand fan, which one is still working okay, and I'm reviewing desk fan, which one I bought for myself. It's not paid promotion or anything. I just like to share my experience with my viewers and subscriber. No promotion or anything. It's not paid promotion. I just bought it for myself. I bought it £19 from online market, and I want to review and let's see what is inside the box and performance and the grill quality, body quality. Last year I bought it a stand fan, which one I reviewed, but body wise the last year one body wise is very bad, but the motor quality is really good and is still working okay. So today I am going to review, but please, it's not promotion or anything. It's not, I'm not promoting. I just bought it for myself and I like to share with my viewers and subscribers. So let's see guys, this is desk fan, 12-inch, 3-speed, and this is stand fan, grills and wings, nothing else guys in the box. So grill quality look okay, menu and some screws. So bad thing, status sign is not connected with grill. Last year was connected, so we have to connect by ourselves. The grill quality is okay this year. Last year one grill quality was very bad, metal proper grill, but the sign is not connected. You have to connect by yourself. Let's see the body and motor quality. Body look okay, motor quality is still really good, heavy, and 3-speed, 0 to 3. So let's join all the part together. I try to make it. It's really easy, just spin system, click and all done. Ready? Wings. First part is back grill. So first you have to fix the back grill, then wings, then front grill. So first is back grill. Really easy. Only thing to remember, the hand stand should be, the hand grip or stand should be on the top. So let's fix it guys. UK plug, and on the box, so it's 3-speed setting, oscillation setting, adjustable angle, carrying handle on the top, portable, so it's portable fan, 12-inch disc fan, oscillating status fan, nothing else. So let's power on and see how it. So 0, speed 1, 2, and 3 is full speed. So air wise is okay guys, good. I hope you enjoy the unboxing. So again, it's not promotion or promoted video, it's not paid promote. I just bought it for myself and I like to review for my viewers, my subscribers. Thank you so much guys. So please thumbs up and like and share my video for more nice videos and reviews around the UK and Pakistan, nice vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.